Persistent coughing with mucus can be quite bothersome. Today, at Ansalu's Health, we will guide you through some potential causes and treatment options. So, let's get started. Coughing is a natural reflex that helps clear irritants from your respiratory tract. It commonly occurs due to smoking, because smoking irritates the airways, triggering a cough to expel harmful particles, or due to respiratory illness. Conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and even gastroesophageal reflux can cause this persistent cough. We'll delve into treatments for persistent coughs with mucus in the next section. What coughs and mucus explained. A cough with mucus, medically called a wet cough or productive cough, involves bringing up mucus from the lower respiratory tract. This mucus, called sputum, forms due to increased secretions in the bronchial tubes. Coughing up the mucus helps clear your airways and is a common symptom of chronic bronchitis and bacterial infections. Types of wet coughs. Wet coughs can occur in both children and adults and vary based on the underlying cause and duration. So here's an overview. Acute cough. Often caused by upper or lower respiratory tract infections, including colds and flu. Typically resolves within 3 weeks. Chronic cough lasts longer than 3 weeks and is often linked to smoking, chronic bronchitis, or pulmonary emphysema. Wet cough can be greenish or yellowish in color. This typically signals an infection. If you notice blood in your mucus, see your doctor immediately, as this could be a sign of a serious issue. What to take for wet cough. Consulting a doctor is crucial for diagnosing the cause of your cough and receiving proper treatment. They will examine your chest and determine the type of cough you have to recommend the most appropriate course of action. For wet coughs, doctors often prescribe expectorant medications. These medications help loosen and thin mucus, making it easier to cough up and clear the airways. These medications come in various dosages for adults and children. Never self-medicate and always follow your doctor's instructions regarding dosage and duration of use. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and information. Natural remedies for wet cough. Try these simple remedies to help ease a wet cough. Onion infusion. Begin by boiling a small onion in a cup of water. Once boiled, add a spoonful of honey to sweeten the infusion. Drink this mixture regularly until your wet cough begins to ease. Pepper tea with honey. Make a soothing tea by mixing black peppercorns and a tablespoon of honey in a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 15 minutes before drinking. This tea helps loosen mucus and eases coughing. Honey lemon juice. Combine 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of 1 lemon in a cup of hot water. Drink this mixture 3 times daily until your wet cough improves. Wacko carrot use. Blend together 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon of honey, 5 wacko leaves, 2 sprigs of peppermint, and half a glass of water. Strain the juice and drink 20 milliliters multiple times a day to help clear excess mucus and promote better breathing. Watercress honey syrup. This natural remedy helps with expectoration and clearing mucus from bronchial tubes. You need 1/4 of a cup of watercress juice, 5 drops of propolis extract, and 1 cup of honey for this syrup. Start by blending the watercress juice with the honey until well mixed. Heat this mixture over low heat until it thickens. Let it cool to room temperature and then add the 5 drops of propolis. Take 1 tablespoon of this syrup 3 times a day until your wet cough improves. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and write us your questions or suggestions in the comments section. Until next time.